Hello everyone, you're welcome. Please watch with me as I prepare this delicious gizzard rice. It's a very easy one and you will love it. Pardon my voice because I have cold. All right, let's get started. First, I have to season the gizzard. After seasoning it, I'm going to cover to let cook. And as you can see, after cooking for some time, I open it and then stir, and right now the gizzard is ready, like the water is dried. So now I'm going to first fry the gizzard. After frying, of course, I'm going to continue with the next process. So you have to fry your gizzard like not too dried, okay, so that when eating it, it will be very okay, as in soft. So first I added my onions, thereafter my pepper mix. I'm going to stir, and remember, I'm cooking on a low heat. I added my seasoning, salt, bouillon powder, and I'm going to stir and cover to let cook. After letting it cook, I added my rice, my parboiled rice. I have to stir, make sure that everything is well mixed, and then add water. I'm going to be adding my water bit by bit, but before I cover it, I added some seasoning again because it was not enough, and a little salt. And thereafter, I'm going to stir and cover to let go. Before covering it, I'm going to use foil paper to do that. And as you can see, after letting the water dried off, I added another water. Like I said before, I have to be putting the water bit by bit. I tasted again, the salt was still not enough, so I added salt and some bouillon powder, a cover to let cook. After that, I open it and stir. Now I'm going to add my gizzard, my fried gizzard, add some onions, and thereafter stir together to let cook. After doing this, I'm going to cover again to cook on a very low heat. And it is very important to stir so that everything is well mixed. Guys, take a look at this. Doesn't this look so beautiful? The way it is beautiful, that's how delicious it also tastes. So like I said, I cover to let cook on the low heat, and as you can see, the rice is ready and dried. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.